In the first month, some individuals may experience an intensification of nasal congestion, phlegm, and skin sensitivity. Don't worry, this is the body expelling waste. In medical terms, it's known as a healing crisis. This phase typically lasts only a few days, after which the body enters a period of adjustment and repair. However, not everyone will experience this phase of healing crisis. Many will also enter straight into repairing phase. The species is often unknown. There are possible soil contamination with heavy metals. The efficacy is comparatively weak because the cap and stem have already grown during collection. The nutrients in the sclerotia have been consumed. After 6 years of dedication, Dr. Chan Shun Shen and the science team successfully selected sclerotia of tiger milk mushroom with the highest efficacy from 3,000 wild mushrooms and proceeded with extensive cultivation. In 2008, the solid-state fermentation technology was developed, successfully enabling the indoor cultivation of tiger milk mushroom. Harvesting is done at the peak of its efficacy, around 6 months. And this species cultivation technology has been trademarked as TM02. Hence, the cultivated TM02 tiger milk mushroom has the highest and most consistent efficacy among a lot of tiger milk mushroom. That's why you don't need to consume as much milligrams as other brands to achieve higher effectiveness.
83% of patients told us that nasal congestion, cough, body inflammation, and dermatitis all occur in the middle of the night. Hearing from this market need, we developed Hoo Tiger Milk Mushroom, the first and only lung health supplement in the world that combines TM02 registered tiger milk mushroom with Anthropia campharata. It simultaneously addresses respiratory and allergy issues and improves sleep quality. Scientific research shows that the sclerotia of tiger milk mushroom contains polysaccharides, polysaccharide protein complexes, and beta-glucans, providing strong anti-inflammatory effects. Anthropia campharata contains a significant amount of adenosine, which can regulate the quality of our sleep. Hoo has been receiving many 5-star reviews from our customers since 2020. To date, Hoo has helped 16,000 families in improved respiratory system.